There are few places Apple's digital assistant Siri proves more convenient than in the car. Siri makes it possible to control your music, make a call, get directions, and more, all while keeping your hands on the wheel and eyes on the road. You can even use it to find your car in a parking lot. You don't need a new car with Bluetooth or CarPlay to use Siri, although of course that's nice. You just need the right adapter. I connect my iPhone to my 2010 minivan using its auxiliary input jack and about $16 worth of parts. Turn on Hey Siri voice activation and you're good to go. Ask Siri for directions to a nearby business by saying something like, "Get directions to the nearest gas station." You can also ask for directions to someone in your contacts or to a business by name. Siri gives you turn-by-turn directions using Apple's Maps app. If you change your mind or don't need directions anymore, just say stop navigation. Hey Siri, get directions to IKEA.
One possibility I see is IKEA about 3.3 miles to your east on Northeast Cascades Parkway, which averages 3.5 stars according to Yelp. It's open today, from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. Does that one sound good?
Yes.
Getting directions to IKEA. Head east on Northeast Stanton Street.
Siri can control your music too. Ask it to play music from an album, playlist, artist, or genre. Tell it to skip a song, go back, shuffle, or pause. If you're an Apple Music subscriber, you can also request music that fits your mood, ask for a different version of a song, get details about when a song was made or who is playing a certain instrument, or even play the hits from a certain year. Remember that Siri requires an internet connection to work. That means you'll need to control your music manually if your travels take you out of cellular range. Hey Siri, play the Decemberists.
Sure thing. Now playing the Decemberists.
No! No! Hey Siri! Play Baby Shark! Play Baby Shark! Hey Siri!
It's easy to make calls using Siri, especially if the person is listed in your Contacts app. Hey Siri, call Marnie on speaker.
Calling Marnie. Home on speaker.
You can also use Siri to send or check messages. Hey Siri, text Dave, "Do you need anything from IKEA?" ?
Your message to Dave McFarland says, "Do you need anything from IKEA? Ready to send it?"
Yes.
Okay, it's sent.
Hey Siri, check messages.
I sent you a new message. Can you please pick up some Swedish meatballs? Would you like to reply?
Yes.
What do you want to say?
Sure thing! !
Your message says, "Sure thing." Ready to send it?
Yes.
The destination is on your right, IKEA. In 400 feet, arrive at IKEA.
Not only can Siri get you where you're going, it can help you remember where you left your car. If you connect to your car stereo using Bluetooth or CarPlay, Maps marks the location automatically when your iPhone disconnects from your car. But if your tech isn't quite that fancy, you can still use this feature by asking Siri to remember for you. Remember where I parked my car. Where's my car? And as long as your address is in the Contacts app, Siri can guide you home when you're done. Hey Siri, get directions home.
Getting directions to home.
This is Shali McFarland. For more tips, check out my book, Take Control of Siri, at takecontrolbooks.com.